Welcome to this new episode of the series on Satoshi Nakamoto's white paper, From A to Z.
C for consensus.
In the world of Bitcoin, consensus is everything. What does it mean in the context of the Satoshi Nakamoto's white paper? Well, it's all about agreement. In the Bitcoin network, consensus means that everyone agrees on the current state of the blockchain. The blockchain is a public ledger of all transactions in the Bitcoin network. Whenever a new transaction's made, it's added to the blockchain by a network of computers called nodes. But how do these nodes ensure that everyone agrees on current state of the blockchain? They do it through a process called consensus. An algorithm of a set of rules which every node in the network follows to ensure that everyone agrees on current state of the blockchain. Whenever a new transaction is added to the blockchain, every node in the network checks to make sure that it's valid according to the consensus rules. If the transaction's valid, it's added to the blockchain and every node updates its copy of the blockchain. This ensures that everyone in the network has the same copy of the blockchain and agrees on its current state. And that's how consensus works in the world of Bitcoin. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other videos in this series. And until then, stay free to choose.